Take the 6th cord over. You want to hold it on the angle that you want to go. Take the next cord to the left and do the double clove hitch knot. So you go over the cord, around the back, through the opening, and you pull that snug up to the top. And we'll do that again, over the top, around, through the opening, and pull that snug to the top. Now we'll do the same thing with the next 4 cords. The top cord will now be the filler cord, and do double clove hitch knots from the left to the right with the remaining 4 cords. Do double half hitch knots from the left to the right and then from the right to the left. Now this cord will be the filler cord, and this cord will be the working cord, and we'll close the diamond with 1 double half hitch knot. So we'll take the 5th cord over from the left, and that's the first one we'll use as the working cord. So you just do your double half hitch knots. Now you take the 4th cord over and you do the same thing. And the next one over. And the last one. Now do the same thing on the other side. And now close the diamond. These center cords are going to be the center of the square knot, and then take these 2 cords and do your square knot in the middle. If you need a tutorial on the square knot, see the link in the description below. Now take the left cord and do double half hitches to the right. Do the same thing from the right to the left. And then close the diamond. Take the 6th cord over, and you're going to go over the next cord, and then under, and then over, and then under. Now we'll take this cord, which is the 5th cord over. We're going to go over, and then under, and then over. Then pull those up a little bit. Now we'll go 1 over and do the same thing. Over, under, over. Pull that tight. Now we'll take this cord over and under. This one over and under, and then this one over, and this one under. Once you adjust them, you should have something that looks like this. Now start with the left-hand cord and do your double half hitches down to the middle. Now take the right-hand cord and go down to the left. And then close off the diamond. So you're going to take the 4th and 5th cord, go over the 6th and 7th, and then under the 8th and 9th. Now you'll take these two, and they're already laying over, and you'll take these two and you'll go over. Align them how you like. And then from the left to the right, do the double half hitches. And now do your double half hitches from the right to the left. And now close up your diamond. Take the 6th cord over, do double half hitches to the left, skipping the last cord. Now with the 6th cord, do double half hitches to the right, skipping the last cord. Take one from the left and do double half hitches to the right. Take one in from the right and do double half hitches to the left. And now close this diamond. Now take the outer left cord and do double half hitches to the right. And take the outer right cord and do double half hitches to the left. And then close the diamond. Watch this tutorial next for a wall hanging that uses one of these diamond patterns.